Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Hyundai Elantra. First, let's gather our tools and ensure safety. You will need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and new engine oil. Always work on a level surface with a cool engine. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Locating the oil drain plug and filter beforehand will make the process much smoother. This preparation is key for a successful and safe oil change. Now that we are prepared, it is time to drain the old engine oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Allow several minutes for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it securely. Make sure it is snug to prevent any leaks. With the old oil drained, our next step is to replace the oil filter. Move your drain pan under the old filter, as some oil will still come out. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, it is time to add the fresh engine oil. Locate the oil filler cap, usually on top of the engine. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new oil for your Hyundai Elantra, typically around 4 quarts. After filling, replace the cap and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add a little more if necessary. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.